In today's video, I am going to teach you how to collapse all layers in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the left sidebar. We'll focus on the Layers panel where every frame, group, and object is listed. Collapsing layers simply hides the nested contents in the panel, not on the canvas, so you keep your work visible while reducing visual noise in the list. The fastest method is a targeted collapse using a keyboard shortcut. First, click to select the frame or component you want to keep visible in the Layers panel. With that selection active, use the shortcut to collapse everything else around it. On a Mac, press Option plus L. On Windows, press Alt plus L. This instantly collapses every other section in the Layers panel, leaving your current selection expanded so you can keep working on it. It's perfect when you want clarity around a single frame while minimizing distractions from nearby content. If you are jumping between different parts of your design, just select the next frame and repeat the shortcut Option L on Mac or Alt L on Windows to refocus the panel each time. If you prefer a visual control instead of memorizing shortcuts, Figma also includes a dedicated Collapse Layers button. Make sure the Layers panel is open in the left sidebar, then look to the top right corner of the list. You'll see an icon that looks like stacked lines with an inward-pointing arrow. Click that icon to collapse the layers. It gives you the same tidy result without needing to remember key combinations, which is great when you are presenting, sharing your screen, or simply want a one-click cleanup. A couple of quick tips as you use these tools: aim to keep only the part of the design you are working on expanded, and collapse the rest so you can navigate confidently. This habit reduces scrolling, helps you find frames faster, and makes handoff smoother when others open your file. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.